We are going to ask Ariel Wecher, President of the Board of LACNOG, and Erika Vega, Member of the Board, to please join me here for the presentation. Good morning. Well, quite an audience considering it's Friday. So how's everything going? Our presentation is going to be quite small, quite short, and quite traditional for the opening session of LACNOG. Welcome to our space in the May event. So very briefly, for those of you who are coming for the first time, or maybe even those who are coming for the first time, let's tell you very briefly what our organization does. You've probably seen this. We are a non-profit organization that has a headquarters in Montevideo, Uruguay. The first event was here in Sao Paulo 15 years ago, actually in Guarulhos. So, well, it's been quite a long time. Our job is to promote the debate and to open a space for our members to share knowledge, debates, and may learn and help each other and collaborate with each other. We have an interaction in a long mail list. Here you have a QR code. So please register if you have subscribed, if you haven't subscribed yet. And there are quite a few mailing lists that Erika is going to tell you about. The idea is that here you'll find many people that are mostly technical staff of large companies, universities, the government, etc., that send questions and reply mainly on technical issues, but it can also be used to request or to look for contacts of different organizations when you are facing a problem and you have to manage it. So here, I'll give the floor to my colleague, Erika. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to our opening session. I think that indeed, it's a good thing to have Alvaro Retana for as a first speaker. So, in addition to what Ariel was saying, we wanted to join our mailing list. So that's why we put there our QR, and there you have all the podcasts that we've organized at LACNOG. So please, you can listen to them. We tried to generate podcasts of different technical topics, and I think that in addition to having good contents, they're fun. So I invite you to listen to them. I want to tell you that all our work from LACNOG, we do this from the working groups. And so this is the list of the working groups, the task forces that we have now. Each task force or each working group has a leader, a chair, and now we are developing a system in which you'll be able to subscribe or to register in each of the working groups if you're willing to help with our activities. Remember that absolutely everything that we do at LACNOG, it's on a voluntary basis. And if in that listing you see the names of, in those working groups, you see any topic that you consider that you could contribute with, well, please write to us. We've run into each other during the event, and certainly we'll let you know when the system is active for you to start joining these groups. We develop an annual work plan, always aiming at meeting our objectives, providing technical contents to the entire community. For this year, in strengthening technical communities, we continue to support promotion, advocacy of network operators on national level. We've done this jointly with LACNIG. We had a group of operators that received support in terms of budget to develop their websites, to organize some activities, and thanks to that, we've seen that there are groups, networks like BENOG, the operators of Venezuela, or PANOG, and COLNOG, the operators of Colombia. We've seen how they started working, and we organized in-person technical workshops, 2-day workshops with technical training for internet operators, and the level, the depth that it may depend on what the local people want, because we involve the rest of the technical community, such as the Internet Society or LACNIG, of course, ICANN, and we develop those in-person workshops jointly. For this year, we have in-person workshops for Colombia, Panama, Dominican Republic, and we are considering that we might organize something in the Caribbean. So developing infrastructure to develop tools to support training. We have people, very skillful people, and an infrastructure with servers and some space for LACNOG, so that we can generate some tools such as laboratory support that we use in the events. And one of our objectives is to contribute with technical contents and support all the activities of all the organizations that are part of the technical community. So I already mentioned some of them. And in the technical community, we also have LAC-IX and LAC-TLD, and we organize a joint working plan where LACNOG provides the support as tutorials in the different events. We organize activities, including the LAC Peering Forum. You may have seen it on Monday. And virtual tutorials that are held jointly with those institutions, and the institutional support, the institutional representation at events as LACNOG, so that people will continue to learn about us in the region. Here we leave the data so that you may contact us. So please join the mailing list for the debates. And now we will formally open the talks planned for today as selected by our programs committee. Thank you all for being with us today.